In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo here on the Carbon 57 in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually go into the gunsmith here on the Carbon 57 and then go into the customize tab and into the camo tab right here. And you're going to see all of the multiplayer camo challenges in this section. Now, in order to get Arclight, there is a few prerequisite camos. And I'm just going to say real quick, this looks so ugly with all the camos. It actually drives me insane that this is how this weapon is designed. I am not a fan of this. Enough that rant though. You are going to have to get Shattered Gold here on the Carbon 57 before we even dive into this. If you want a guide on this camo right here, I have a full guide breaking down the quick method that you can use to get Carbon 57 fast. I highly recommend checking out that video because it's going to break down all of these prerequisite camos in order to get Shattered Gold, but we also have videos on all the other SMGs that I would recommend checking out as well, because the other prerequisite is getting Shattered Gold on 6 SMGs here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. As of right now, there's only 6. In the future, there's probably going to be more, but you only need to get it on 6 SMGs. But essentially, this challenge is just 10 double kills or better with the Carbon 57, and the method for this is pretty simple. All you need to go ahead and do is play hardpoint on small maps. I'm going to say that one more time, hardpoint on smaller maps. Sit outside of that hardpoint zone, and as people are running into the hardpoint, go ahead and take them out in quick succession. Now, a little bonus tip, hardcore makes this extremely easy to go ahead and do. Just keep in mind, you could die pretty quickly as well, so that's just something that you are going to want to have in the back of your head. But if you don't want to play hardcore, you could still do this in the base game mode. Just sit outside that hard point as 2 people run in, kill them in quick succession, and that's going to be one of your double kills done. In reality, this is only 20 kills. It should only take you 1 to 2 games max. You could probably finish this immediately in hardcore in just 1 game. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.